guys, what is up? So it is that time of the month again. The Ipsy Glam Bag is here. So if you would like to see what's inside this month's Glam Bag, then just stay tuned. A little disclaimer, Ipsy did send me this Glam Bag to try. So the first thing inside this month's Glam Bag is the little card here that says glow off this winter. Winter's turning up the chill, so we're turning up the sparkle. You've got places to be and your favorite people to see this holiday season, so keep your skin merry and bright and make sure your glam outshines the tinsel. Glow off with confidence with oh so luxe skincare, shimmery makeup, and the joy of sharing beauty and creating memories with those you love most. And then on the inside, it has some beauty trends and product must-haves for the holiday season. And here is what this month's Glam Bag looks like. It is a pleathery, leathery material, snake skin, as you can tell, and it almost shines a pinky lilac in some light. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. There's what the back or the front looks like. And then it's got the Ipsy tag. And then opening it up, the inside of it is a kind of magenta, fuchsia, purplish pink. The first product inside this month's Glam Bag is the Marc Anthony Repair Bond Plus Resculplex Leave-In Conditioner. This is going to reinforce the hair from the inside out. It's going to hydrate and defrizz as well. And on the back of this bottle, it says that it is proven to rebuild and maintain damaged hair bonds. I am always up for a product that is going to help my hair. I color it a lot so it can use all the help that it can get. Next in this month's Glam Bag, we have the Goldfine MD I Defy Radiance Restoring Eye Treatment. And this is going to really nourish that under eye area and get rid of any dark circles, wrinkles, and kind of brighten it up. Next in this month's Glam Bag, we've got the Ballerine Eyeshadow Palette by Elimon Cosmetics. And opening up this palette, it looks a little something like this. Honestly, this is nothing that I haven't seen before. I'm not too impressed, but it is a beautiful palette nonetheless, and I do have this on my eyes today. And for those of you who would like to see swatches of this palette, I'm just going to do that real quick for you. Just so you can see what the palette has in store. This palette is cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, and gluten-free. Next in the November Ipsy Glam Bag, we have the Lovecraft Beauty Gel Line Eye Pencil, and this is in the shade Searchlight. And it is kind of a dark silvery black. It is so, so pretty. And I have this on my eyes as well. Last but not least, in this month's Ipsy Glam Bag, we've got the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm Universal Lip Luminizer, and this is in the shade Fenty Glow. You guys, this is such a beautiful shade. It is stunning, and it also smells really, really nice too. I'm just going to swatch this on the back of my hand here so you can see what it looks like. Such a beautiful gloss. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Ipsy Glam Bag. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think or what you hope to receive inside your Glam Bag. With the Ipsy Glam Bag option, you get 5 deluxe beauty samples. Members choose 1 product. Everything in the bag is up to $70 in value, and it's only $14 a month. I just want to say a big thank you to Ipsy for sending me yet another Glam Bag to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.